Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share about another project I have done recently. Alright, as we know, at the last video I uploaded about how to make split screen, and this project I want to present you about Minimap in your game. So you can see this project used Python script and very easy to use. It just look like split screen. Now you can see when the game is running, you can see minimap on the top right corner. Okay, look at the right side, you can see this clip. It was made by ChatGPT. Okay, and if you want to set, you want to change a position of viewport camera minimap. Okay, I'm gonna try to ask ChatGPT. So all I have to do is copy this code, go to ChatGPT website and paste all of this, and then ask ChatGPT. Okay, I'm gonna ask him to change the camera viewport position of viewport. Okay, I want to the bottom right corner. Okay, the bottom left. Okay, let's see. You can see ChatGPT is coding. Okay, okay, I think he's done. Just copy this code over here and go to your workstation, your workspace, and then hold Control A and Control V to paste, and now go to play again. Yeah, you can see ChatGPT give you a new Python script, or he changed a position of minimap viewport in the bottom left corner as I wanted. Okay, I think you can try it. It's, it's easy to use and understand. Alright, thank you.